How to deactivate Instagram account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So first of all, you have to open up your Instagram and make sure you are logged in with your account. After that, in the home page, you can see the profile icon which is in the right lower corner. So simply tap on that. After that, you have to tap on the hamburger option which is in the right upper corner. Tap on that. And from here, you'll be able to see the settings and privacy options. So tap on that. After that, you have to tap on the account center option. And you have to tap on the personal details option over here. And here you'll be able to see the account ownership and control option in the third row. Tap on that. And you'll be able to see deactivation or deletion option over here. You have to go through this by simply tapping on that. So you can either deactivate or delete your Instagram account. Deactivating is a temporary action and deletion is a permanent action. For that, you have to tap on the profile and you have to select whether you want to deactivate or delete account. Since we are looking for deactivating an account, before moving to the final step, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. If you need any videos on any topics, don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. So after that, you have to tap on continue option over here and you have to enter your password. By entering your password, your Instagram account will be deactivated. So by following this simple step, you can deactivate your Instagram account. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching till the end.